100 road signs, names and meanings. Prohibition signs. No entry. Vehicles are not allowed to enter this road, usually indicating a wrong direction. No right turn. Turning right is not allowed. No left turn. Turning left is not allowed. No U-turn. Making a U-turn is forbidden. No overtaking. You cannot pass other vehicles. No parking. Parking is not allowed. No stopping. You cannot stop at all, even briefly. Maximum speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour. Do not exceed this speed. No horn. Use of horn is prohibited. No trucks. Trucks are not allowed. No motorcycles. Motorbikes are prohibited. No bicycles. Bicycles are not allowed. No agricultural vehicles. Tractors and machines are prohibited. No animal-drawn vehicles. Animal transport is not allowed. Maximum height. Vehicles taller than indicated cannot pass. Maximum width. Limits vehicle width. Maximum weight. Weight limit for vehicles. No pedestrians. Pedestrians are not allowed. No turn on red. Turning at a red light is forbidden. No mobile phone use. Using a phone while driving is prohibited. No hazardous materials. Dangerous goods vehicles are not allowed. No trailers. Vehicles with trailers are prohibited. No buses. Buses cannot enter. No overtaking for trucks. Trucks cannot overtake. End of prohibition. The restriction no longer applies.
Mandatory signs. Go straight ahead. You must continue forward. Turn right. You must turn right. Turn left. You must turn left. Straight or right only. Only these directions are allowed. Straight or left only. Only these directions are allowed. Pass on the right. Go around the obstacle on the right. Pass on the left. Go around the obstacle on the left. Roundabout. You must follow the roundabout direction. Seat belt mandatory. Wearing a seatbelt is required. Helmet required. Mandatory for motorcyclists. Lights on required. Headlights must be on. Cycle path. Reserved for bicycles. Pedestrian path. Reserved for pedestrians. Bus lane. Only buses are allowed. Direction mandatory. Follow the indicated direction. Snow chains required. Chains must be used in snow. Minimum speed limit. Do not drive below this speed. Mandatory equipment. Specific equipment is required. Designated lane. You must use the indicated lane. One-way direction. Traffic is allowed in one direction only. Warning signs. Right curve ahead. Dangerous curve to the right. Left curve ahead. Dangerous curve to the left. Series of bends. Multiple curves ahead. Crossroad ahead. Intersection with another road. T-intersection. The road ends or meets another road. Roundabout ahead. A roundabout is coming. Slippery road. Risk of skidding. Speed bump. Reduce speed. Steep descent. Downhill road, use brakes carefully. Steep ascent. Uphill road. Roadworks. Construction ahead. Uneven road. Bumpy surface. Road narrows. The road becomes narrower. Pedestrian crossing. People may cross. Children crossing. School zone area. Animals crossing. Animals may cross. Crosswinds. Strong side winds are possible. Narrow bridge. Bridge with limited width. Traffic lights ahead. Signal ahead. Two-way traffic. Opposite traffic is present. Falling rocks. Risk of rocks on the road. Fog area. Low visibility area. Slippery when wet. Extra caution in rain. Cyclists crossing. Bicycle crossing area. Wild animals crossing. Unexpected animals may appear. Ice risk. The road may be icy. End of dual carriageway. The road becomes single. Start of dual carriageway. The road splits directions. Merging traffic. Vehicles entering the road. Low-flying aircraft. Airport nearby. Information and service signs. Hospital.
Medical services available. Gas station. Fuel available.
Restaurant. Food services nearby. Hotel. Accommodation available. Telephone. Public phone available. Parking. Designated parking area. Repair shop. Vehicle repair services. Police station. Law enforcement nearby. Pharmacy. Medicines available. Rest area. Place to relax. Toilets. Public restrooms. Camping site. Area for camping. Tourist information. Travel assistance available. Bus stop. Public transport stop. Taxi stand. Taxi service available. Airport. Air transport nearby. Port. Maritime transport. Train station. Railway transport. ATM. Banking services available. Wi-Fi zone. Internet access available. Car wash. Vehicle cleaning service. Electric charging station. Charging point for electric vehicles. Picnic area. Leisure area. Shopping center. Commercial area. Emergency services. Immediate assistance available. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share if this video helped. Watch next video. Thanks.